Hi children, once recall the properties of sides of triangle. In previous video, I will discuss about the properties of sides of triangle. Once recall. The sum of lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side, and the difference of the lengths of any two sides of the triangle is less than the third side. This is the according to side properties. Based on these properties, you can solve the exercise 5.4 sums. First sum. Two, two sides of a triangle are 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters respectively. So in triangle, two sides are given. 5 centimeters one side and other side is 4 centimeters. Write any three possible measurements that suit for the third side. థర్డ్ సైడ్ మనం ఫైండ్ చేయాలమ్మా. థర్డ్ సైడ్కి ఏ మెజర్మెంట్ అయితే సూట్ అవుతుంది అని. అంటే మనకు టూ కండిషన్స్ ఇచ్చారు. ఏమిటవి? సమ్ ఆఫ్ టూ సైడ్స్, యూ కెన్ యాడ్ దీస్ టూ సైడ్స్ ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ ద థర్డ్ సైడ్. సమ్ ఆఫ్ టూ సైడ్స్ ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ ద సమ్ ఆఫ్ టూ సైడ్స్ ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ద లెంత్ ఆఫ్ థర్డ్ సైడ్. రెండు యాడ్ చేస్తే థర్డ్ సైడ్ కన్నా ఎక్కువ రావాలి. అంటే 5 + 4 అంటే 9. 9 అన్నది గ్రేటర్గా ఉండాలి థర్డ్ సైడ్ కన్నా. అంటే 9కి బిలో నెంబర్స్ యూ కెన్ టేక్. అంటే 8, 7, 6 అవి అన్నీ తీసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ డిఫరెన్స్ తీసుకోండి అమ్మ. డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ టూ సైడ్స్ ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ ద థర్డ్ సైడ్. డిఫరెన్స్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, అది ఆ ఇచ్చిన థర్డ్ సైడ్ కన్నా తక్కువ ఉండాలి. యూ కెన్ టేక్ డిఫరెన్స్ 5 - 4 1. అంటే 1 కన్నా మిగతావన్నీ ఎక్కువగా ఉండాలి. ఓకే, వన్ సీ ద చిల్డ్రన్. Here, the two sides of a triangle are 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters respectively. Write the any three possible measurements that suit for the third side. First condition, the sum of lengths of two sides is greater than the third side, and the difference between the length of two sides is less than the third side. Given two sides are 5 centimeters and 4 centimeters. The sum of two sides 5 + 4 is 9. అంటే 9 కన్నా థర్డ్ సైడ్ అన్నది ఏముండాలి? 9 అన్నది గ్రేటర్ అవ్వాలి థర్డ్ సైడ్ కన్నా. ఓకే, అంటే హియర్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ థర్డ్ సైడ్. ఓకే, థర్డ్ సైడ్ కన్నా ఇది గ్రేటర్ అవ్వాలి. దిస్ వన్ లెస్ దాన్ థర్డ్ సైడ్. డిఫరెన్స్ 5 - 4 ఈజ్ 1. 1 ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ థర్డ్ సైడ్. అంటే గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 9 కన్నా గ్రేటర్, లెస్ 1 కన్నా ఎక్కువ, 9 కన్నా తక్కువ ఉండాలి. ఓకే, థర్డ్ సైడ్ అన్నది ఈ మిడిల్లో ఉండాలి. 1 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి, 9 కన్నా తక్కువ ఉండాలి. అంటే ద పాసిబుల్ థర్డ్ సైడ్ మెజర్మెంట్స్ ఆర్ బిట్వీన్ 1 and 9. 1 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి, 9 కన్నా తక్కువ ఉండాలి. అంటే బిట్వీన్ 1 and 9. 1 అవ్వకూడదు, 9 కూడా అవ్వకూడదు. అంటే వాట్ ఆర్ దీస్? దట్ ఈజ్ 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These all values are possible. Okay, here asking the question, write any three possible measurements. You should write any three. 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters. These two are given. You can take 2 centimeters and 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6, 7, 8. Here I will write 7 measurements. Okay, these are possible for the measurements that suit for the third side. He asking only 3 sides అడిగారమ్మా. యూ కెన్ రైట్ హియర్ ఎనీ 3. యూ కెన్ రైట్ ఎనీ, మనం ఏవైనా 3 రాసుకోవచ్చు. అంటే బిట్వీన్ 1 and 9. 1 సెంటీమీటర్స్ తీసుకుంటే అది రాంగ్ అవుతుంది. 9 కూడా రాంగ్ అవుతుంది. ఎందుకంటే 5 + 4 ఈజ్ 9. థర్డ్ సైడ్ కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి. అంటే 9 తీసుకుంటే ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది. 9 ఈజ్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. అండ్ 1 కూడా గ్రేటర్ అవ్వాలి. 1 అన్నది థర్డ్ సైడ్ ఇంకా గ్రేటర్గా ఉండాలి. 1 తీసుకుంటే ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది. కనుక 1 కూడా నాట్ పాసిబుల్. దట్స్ వై బిట్వీన్ 1 and 9 మనం తీసుకోవచ్చు. దీస్ ఆర్ పాసిబుల్ ఫర్ ద, యూ కెన్ టేక్ ద థర్డ్ సైడ్. Now see the second sum. The lengths of the line segments are 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 9 centimeters are given. First one, which group of the line segments can form a triangle? Which group of line segments can form a triangle? Solution. Given sides are 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 9 centimeters. 9 centimeter. And you can take any 3 sides. Triangle sides manaku 3 kavali. You can match cheyalama. Sum of 2 sides is greater than the third side. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 is greater than the 6. Ante 3, 5, 6. This one group. 3, 5, 6. Sum of 2 sides, you can add 3 plus 5, 8. 8 greater than the 6. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 greater than the 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 greater than the 5. This is possible. And second group, you can check 5, 6 and 9. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 greater than the 9. Correct. 6 plus 9, 15. 15 greater than the 5. 5 plus 9, 14. 14 greater than the 6. This one also possible. Okay. Why this one is which groups of line segments can form a triangle? Right reason also. Because the sum of lengths of two sides is greater than the third side. Okay. The sum of lengths of two sides is greater than the third side. That's why these two groups are formed. Okay. In these two groups. Second question. This one first question answer. Second question. Which group of line segments cannot form a triangle? ఏవి ఫామ్ అవ్వవు అడుగుతున్నారు. ఈ రెండు ఫామ్ అయ్యాము. ఇంకేమైనా చూద్దాం. 3, 6. 3, 6, 9. We can add 3 plus 6, 9. 9 is not greater than 9. Not greater than 9. That's why it is not possible. Does not form a triangle. Does not form a triangle because the sum of the sum of lengths of two sides is not greater than the third side. Okay. Sorry, here write or form a triangle. Okay, children, or form a triangle because the sum of lengths of this is reason, or form a triangle, right? Because the sum of lengths of two sides is greater than the third side in first condition. Second one, here not form a triangle because the sum of lengths of two sides is not greater than the third side. మీకు కావాలంటే ఇక్కడ రాసుకోవచ్చమ్మా. 3 plus 6 is equal to is not greater than 9. Third side is not greater than 9. Okay. Now see the children, third sum. Find the value of x in the following triangles. First triangle PEN. PE is equal to 4 centimeters. PN is equal to 4 centimeters. Here two sides equal. This one is called equivalent isosceles triangle. In a triangle, two sides are equal is called isosceles triangle. And here E is 65 degrees. Find the x value. You know the condition. In isosceles triangle, equal sides, opposite angles are equal. Equal sides, opposite angles are equal. This side, PE, opposite angle is x. PN, opposite angle is 65 degrees. These two sides equal, then opposite angles also equal. Then this one 65 means x also 65. Write the condition and do this sum. Okay. Solution. In triangle PEN, in triangle PEN, PE is equal to PN. PE is equal to PN, that is equal to 4 centimeters. Then angle N is equal to angle E. Angle N is equal to angle E. Angle N is equal to angle NX. Angle E 65 degrees. Therefore, X is equal to 65 degrees. X is equal to 65 degrees. Write the condition. In isosceles triangle, equal sides, opposite angles are equal. Equal sides, opposite angles are equal. This is the condition. In isosceles triangle, equal sides, opposite angles are equal. These two are equal sides, then opposite angles also equal. Okay? See the children. In triangle BGA, here angles are given. Angle B 56 degrees, angle A 56 degrees. And one side is given, GA is 4.3 centimeters. Find the BG value. Once see the children. 56 degrees, opposite side is GA. This one 4.3 and this one also 56. Then opposite side is GB. This one X. The equal angles, opposite sides also equal. Equal sides, opposite angles equal. Equal angles, opposite sides are equal. Then this GA is 4.3 means GB also 4.3. Okay children, write that one. In triangle BGA, which angles are equal? Angle B is equal to angle A. Okay, then B remove cheseyandamma. B remove cheste remaining is opposite side. In triangle BGA, you can close the B. GA side is equal to, you can close the A, BG. Okay. What is the angle A? B is equal to angle A, that is 56 degrees. That is equal to 56 degrees. GA is equal to BG. GA is 4.3. Then X is equal to 4.3 centimeters. Okay, X is equal to 4.3 centimeters. Therefore, X is equal to 4.3 centimeters. What is the condition? How can you write this one? Equal angles, opposite sides are equal. Equal angles, opposite sides are equal. Here, equal sides, opposite angles are equal. Now see the fourth sum children. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. If angle A is equal to 80 degrees, then find the angle B and angle C. Okay. ABC is an isosceles triangle. First you can draw the one triangle. Let triangle ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మనం triangle draw చేసుకుంటే ఈజీగా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చమ్మా. ABC. AB is equal to AC. AB you can write on line here also. Then these two sides are equal. ఇలా మార్క్ చేసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ వన్ లైన్ అయితే ఇక్కడ కూడా వన్ లైనే డ్రా చేయాలి. If you draw here two lines, here also draw two lines. Then these two sides are equal. ఇలా మార్క్ సేమ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ లైన్స్ ఉంటే these two sides are equal. ఇక్కడ కూడా టూ లైన్స్ పెట్టామనుకోండి, దాన్ని ఈక్వలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఓన్లీ టూ సైడ్సే పెట్టాం కాబట్టి దిస్ వన్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఐసోసెలస్ ట్రయాంగిల్. యాంగిల్ ఏ 80 degrees, దిస్ వన్ 80 degrees. Okay, find the angle B and angle C. You know the relation between the sides and angles. Equal sides, opposite angles are equal. AB opposite angle this one C, we can take X, then AC opposite B also X. Okay, in know the sum of three angles in a triangle is 180. X plus 80 is equal to 180. Okay, you can solve the sum. Solution: given in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. Both sides are equal, then opposite angles are equal. AB side, then opposite angle, remaining letter. AB is there, remaining angle C is equal to, here AC is there, what is the remaining letter? B, very good, angle B. These two are equal. Angle C is equal to angle B. Let, we can take, మనం X అని తీసుకుందాం. Angle C is equal to angle B is equal to X. మనం X అని తీసుకుందాం. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. This one angle sum property, angle sum property. Okay, what is the angle A value? 80 degrees. 80 plus B X plus C also X is equal to 180 degrees. 80 plus X 2x is equal to 180 degrees. 80 transpose LHS to RHS, it become minus sign. 2x is equal to 180 minus 80, that is equal to 100 degrees. 2x is equal to 100 degrees, then x is equal to 100. This one LHS, in multiplication symbol, it come to RHS, it become division. 2 1s and 2 50s. X is equal to 50. 50 degrees. What is X means? Angle B and angle C also X. Therefore, angle B is equal to 50 degrees and angle C is equal to 50 degrees. Okay, children? Find the values of X in each of the adjacent triangles. Here first triangle, in triangle PQR, P is 53 degrees. Here PQ is equal to QR. PQ is equal to QR is given. Find here angle Q value. Okay. Now see the children, how can you solve this sum? PQ is equal to QR. Once observe the figure. PQ. What is the PQ opposite angle? This angle. PQ. R, angle R. QR opposite angle? Angle P. Then these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. Then this one also 53 degrees. Now find here X value. Ikkada X value manam find cheyali. 53 plus 53 plus X is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. And equal sides, opposite angles are equal. A condition prakaranga you should find the other angle. Then angle sum property, you can use the angle sum property, find the X value. Okay, children? Now write the solution. In triangle PQR, first write the which sides are equal. PQ is equal to QR. PQ is equal to QR. Then two sides are equal, then opposite angles are equal. Then PQ lo miss aina letter entamma, angle R is equal to, here QR is there, P is not there, angle P. Angle P is equal to 53 degrees. Then angle R also 53 degrees. Okay. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. Angle sum property. Angle sum property. What is the P value? 53 degrees. Q value X and R also 53 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. 53 plus 53. 106 degrees plus X is equal to 180 degrees. 106 transpose to LHS to RHS, plus sign become minus sign. Then X is equal to 180 degrees minus 106 degrees. 180 minus 106. 180 minus 106. 74 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to 74 degrees. Okay. Now see the next sum. In fifth head, next sum, triangle LMN is given. L is exterior angle 110 degrees. Here LM is equal to LN. Here these two sides are equal. LM opposite side is x is given. LN opposite side, here anything not given. Find the x value. Means exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. This one x means this opposite angle, this one also x. Okay, we can add these two angles. X plus x is equal to 110 degrees. Then x is equal to 2x is equal to 110 degrees and x is equal to 110 by 2. Okay, like this you can solve this sum. Second one, given LMN given in triangle LMN, which sides are equal? LM is equal to LN. Then LM, remaining letter into angle N is equal to angle M. Angle M. Okay. This one angle, this one L. Observe the children. Okay. These two are x. N is x, then M also x. These two angles are equal. Okay. Angle, here exterior angle, this one exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Exterior angle L 110 degrees is equal to x plus x. 110 degrees is equal to 2x. Okay. Interchange the equation. Then I will write 2x is equal to 110 degrees. Both equations are same. Transpose LHS to RHS. Rendu atninchiti marchenamma. Then x is equal to 110 by 2. 255 degrees. X is equal to 55 degrees. Okay. In exercise, last question, which of the following statements are true in the following diagram? Here one diagram is given, TOY, angle O is 90 degrees, angle Y is 50 degrees, angle T value not given. You know the angle sum property, 90 plus 50, 140. Then what is the angle T? Very good, 40 degrees. This is the angle T is equal to 40 degrees. Some conditions are given, is it is true or false, you can say. OY is less than OT. TY is less than TO. Angle Y is less than angle T. TY is less than OY. Okay. And open side unte greater. And ee side ichinavanni greater ani measure chesaramma. What is the condition? Okasari chuddam. Here sides are given, here angles also given. No, you know that angle Y 50 degrees, angle T 40 ochindi. And T is, here T greater ani icharu. Is it greater? No, it is false. Okay. And sides ela cheyalo okasari chuddam. In last video, you can say the conditions. In any triangle, see the children, in any triangle, the opposite side to biggest angle is bigger than the other two sides. The greatest angle, opposite side also greater. Any triangle, the opposite side to smallest angle, then smaller than the other two sides. And a smaller angle, opposite side also smaller, greater angle, opposite side also greater. Now coming to this sum. Here in triangle TOP, this one O is 90, Y is 50, T is the 40. Here O is the greatest angle, then opposite side YT or TY. This one is the greatest angle. This one is the greatest side. Okay. O opposite ga YT undi. This is the greatest side. T is 40 degrees, then OY is the smallest side. Okay. Now solve this sum. Here 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. మనం T వాల్యూ ఇక్కడ సైడ్కి ఫైండ్ చేసుకుందామమ్మా. ఇన్ ట్రయాంగిల్ TOY యాంగిల్ T ప్లస్ యాంగిల్ O ప్లస్ యాంగిల్ Y is equal to 180 degrees. T, we don't know, angle T plus O 90 degrees plus 50 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Angle T plus 140 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Angle T is equal to 180 minus 140 degrees. Transpose this side, this LHS to RHS. Angle T is equal to 40 degrees. Okay, here write angle T is equal to 40 degrees. Okay, now first condition, OY is less than OT. What is the OY here? What is the opposite angle? 40 degrees. దానికి opposite angle ఎంత ఉందమ్మా? 40 degrees. OTకి opposite angle ఎంత ఉంది మ్యామ్? 50. ఓకే, OY is smaller than OT. అంటే OY is 50 degrees is smaller than OT 40 degrees. OY, then opposite angle, sorry, this one 40. OT, this opposite angle is 50. Sorry children, 40 degrees less than 50 degrees. Okay, this one is true or false? True. This is true. Okay, second one, TY is less than TO. TY, then opposite angle. You can see the side is given, you can check the opposite angle. 90 degrees. TO opposite angle 50 degrees. 90 degrees is smaller than 50 degrees. This is false. Okay, third one, angle Y is less than angle T. Angle Y 50 degrees is less than angle T 40 degrees. This one also false. Okay, fourth one, TY is less than OY. TY opposite angle is 90 degrees. OY opposite angle is 40 degrees. This one smaller? Not. This one also false. Only first one is true, remaining all are false. Okay, this one completed the exercise. Okay children.